make lobster restaurant style lobster at home. So for that you will need your lobster tails. I have 4 tails here. They come in different sizes and shapes and colors, so as you can see I have different colors here. Some lime or lemon, olive oil, parsley, butter, salt, paprika, garlic, and also a bowl to mix your ingredient. I froze mine, therefore I let it thaw for a whole day in my fridge. You do not want to run this on hot water because it's going to start the cooking process and you do not want that. Look at how beautiful these are. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Look at this, look at the beauty of that. Definitely have to watch that. Definitely have to watch that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to bring this out of their shelves. You're gonna take your kitchen scissors and you're gonna cut the back slowly. Just be careful not to cut the skin. So you just have to make sure you're not cutting the skin. So for me, in order for the meat to come out, this is what I do. I turn it around and I'm just gonna put my finger and move it around slowly. Make sure I'm not damaging the meat. There you go. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get the ingredients ready, or the sauce I should say. So I'm using 1 butter stick. I'm gonna place this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Our butter is almost melted. Add salt to taste. And garlic, parsley leaves to taste, about half a teaspoon, and my lime. This is good. Okay, so I'm gonna bring back our lobster. I have rinsed the lobster's tails with cold water. You do not want to wash with warm water. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do first is I'm gonna take some olive oil and I'm just gonna rub that on my lobster tails. We don't want it to be dry. You can use butter if you want to, but I like to add olive oil on mine. So we're gonna lift this. Just make sure that the olive oil is all over the tail. I'm gonna place that back down. We're gonna take some paprika and just sprinkle that on our lobster. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Because I don't like mine to be dry, I'm gonna add a little bit of butter. Our lobster's tails into this baking sheet pan. 15 to 20 minutes at a temperature of 400 degrees.